We loaded up the wagons and put them to work, pulling them around the yard and down the sidewalk and driveway to test them on both paved and grassy terrains. When we were done, we collapsed each one and noted how easy it was to close the wagon up and transport it to a car or its storage place. Finding the perfect collapsible wagons can be overwhelming with so many options available, each offering unique features, benefits, and price points. To make your decision easier, I've done extensive research, analyzed countless reviews, and curated a list of the best collapsible wagons trusted brands. These products are specifically chosen to help people like you find comfort and support. For pricing and additional details, don't forget to check the description below. Now let's dive straight into the video. Number 1. Amazon Basics Collapsible Folding Utility Wagon. His no-frills wagon is small but mighty. It's the lightest option we tested, but it has a weight capacity of 265 pounds, which matches or surpasses some of our other picks. The rigid bottom is attached, which is kind of nice. You don't need to worry about packing it up and making sure you don't leave it behind. The handle is a sufficient length, too. While it does the trick for toting heavy items, this wagon doesn't have the most advanced steering capabilities. It gets the job done, but requires a bit more forcing to turn than the more expensive wagons. The wagon is easy to collapse, though it has more of a flat fold than some of the other. It looks kind of like a folding table, but it's relatively very small and easy to carry and still stands upright on its own. We did notice some of the fabric fraying a bit on the edge, but it's not very noticeable and doesn't affect the structural integrity. Number 2. Maxport's Collapsible All-Terrain Utility Beach Wagon. That it's really difficult to find collapsible wagons that work well on sand. If you've ever tried to force it with a wagon not made for this use, you know that it makes for a miserable experience. So it's essential to find one that has the right tires for the job. This option from Maxports was built to take on the job. It's also slightly lighter than some of our other picks and comes with a carry cover. It's another wagon that folds flat in more of a folding chair style, and it only has a 150-pound capacity. This wasn't a deal breaker for us, especially because you probably don't want to haul heavier loads on sand anyway. But it's something to keep in mind if you plan to use it for other purposes. That we found that the wheels on this wagon made it move smoothly across all types of terrain. However, we didn't have the capabilities to test it on the beach, but Amazon reviewers gush over how well it handles on the sand. We noted that the handle is also comfortable enough so that your hands feel fine when doing a little extra heavy pushing and pulling through the sand. The handlebar doesn't move as smoothly as some of the other wagons, so you have to work a little harder to make turns. But overall, we're really happy with how it tackles whatever ground is underneath it if the battery is low. Number 3. Timber Ridge Double-Decker Folding Wagon. With an impressive load capacity, a double-decker design, fold-down tailgate, and conveniently placed cup holders, this collapsible wagon is great for any scenario where you need to lug around a load full of stuff. Think camping, tailgating, gardening, farmers market shopping, and more. We also appreciated the pockets on the outside, both zipper and mesh options, for storing smaller items, and the removable mesh sides on the bottom level that allow you to accommodate oddly shaped, bulkier items. During testing, we liked how this wagon performed on both pavement and grassy terrain. It was relatively easy to maneuver, and the handle is long enough to be comfortable for tall adults. We also loved how easy it is to load this thing up. With the bottom tailgate down, it fits a full 10 feet by 10 feet pop-up canopy tent, making it possible to lug one of those along with an upper level full of other camping or sports spectating essentials. The wagon is also fairly easy to collapse and comes with a cover that straps to the base, securing it in place and making it easy to carry. At 27 pounds, it's on the slightly heavier side, but it still packs up very compactly and fits easily into the trunk of a small car. Number 4. Wonderful W4 Original Collapsible Stroller Wagon. Sure, you can let your kiddo ride in a regular collapsible wagon, but a stroller wagon is made specifically for strapping little ones in. With 2 removable 2-person seat benches, this model from Wonderfold fits up to 4 toddlers safely buckled in. Each bench has a 99-pound capacity, and the wagon itself can hold up to 300 pounds. Some additional features we love: a removable UPF 50 sun canopy, a large zipper storage container on the back, side pockets, bag hanging clips, and an easy access zipper door in the front for toddlers to crawl in and out. After testing this stroller wagon for a few months, we can confirm it's sturdy, well-made, fits a ton of stuff, and makes for an enjoyable ride, both as the person pushing it and the one riding it. It doesn't fold up very compactly, though, and it's heavy, so we wouldn't recommend it for travel or if you're someone who constantly needs to load your stroller wagon in and out of a car. Number 5. Seeky Collapsible Foldable Extended Wagon. If you're searching for a wagon to haul around long, heavy items, look no further than this extended option from Seeky. It boasts a whopping weight capacity of 440 pounds and has a bed that's substantially longer than the other folding wagons we tested, so you can pull around pretty much anything you can dream of. The Seeky can hold quite a bit of items, including canopy tents, sporting goods, coolers full of drinks and ice, and other substantial equipment. Truly a lot. And despite being long, we found it easy to steer and maneuver the wagon, even when fully loaded, thanks to the flexible bars on the front wheel that allow the handle to move more dynamically. It's also super easy to fold and has a carry cover and handle, which makes it easier to transport. That's it for today. I create helpful videos like this every day, so make sure to subscribe to my channel for more. If you're looking for additional details or want to check the product prices, you'll find all the information in the description. Have questions or need assistance? Feel free to drop a comment below. Stay tuned for more amazing products to make your life easier.